morning, little one. The fields are so beautiful today. Perfect. Breakfast is almost ready. Yes, your favorite part. Just a couple more. There we go. Breakfast is almost ready. Here comes the tea. Good boy, just a moment. So peaceful out here. Good boy, enjoy your breakfast. It's so peaceful here. But we have to go back soon. What a beautiful day for a drive. Here you go, buddy. A little treat. Good boy. You like that, huh? My sweet companion. Hi, come on in, it's warm. Thanks, Hana, so cozy. Wow, so cute. Come in, don't get wet. Okay, come in. This tea is so warm. It's perfect. Come here, buddy. He's so happy. I'm glad we're all here. This is so peaceful. The tea is perfect. And the rain is so soothing. I love this. Me too.